Hey YouTube, it's Dropkicker, and today I'm going to be doing an unboxing and review on a pair of headphones that I got from buskateshoes.com. So here we go. So I got some Skullcandy, 50/50s. Came with a bunch of stickers again. I got these from buskateshoes.com. They were $49.99 there, and I really wanted these Skullcandies because I really don't like Beats. In my opinion, these are better. So, and they're pretty good priced. They're pretty cheap at buskateshoes.com. So, I got these. Comes in a pretty nice box. So let's open these. See what we got in the box. Alright. Came with a really nice, like, plastic carrying case, I think it is. How you open this thing? Yeah, it's a little carrying case. It's the carrying case it comes with. It's pretty nice. It's metal, actually. Comes with some extra earbuds. You know, always lose those. And these are the actual headphones right here. These out. These have a mic on them, and you can control your volume with them also. To me, these headphones are a lot better than any other headphones I've ever gotten, and pretty good for only $50. They look like they got the little Skullcandy emblem on it right there, So talk and volume up and volume down. I got them in orange, and I guess I'll do a sound thing going on here. Let's see here, just put on a random song. Alright. Yeah, they sound really good. I'm not gonna play a song too long, so YouTube doesn't like shut down my video. But yeah, they sound really good. They look really nice, and Skullcandy, in my opinion, best. And buskateshoes.com had them, so I said, why not? Really cheap there. Go there and check them out. They got a whole bunch of other headphones there, a wide variety. Really fast shipping again from them. Very pleased with them again. Never seem to disappoint, so go check them out. Put the link in the description again, and go check them out and buy some from them. You know, comment in the comment section if you want me to review anything from them, and subscribe and like. Have a good day.